This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Large island kitchen home in the floral section close to pool. Living room stretches across front of home. Relax in the den with your built-in wet bar. Sliding glass doors flow into oversized raised glass enclosed porch. Built-in hutch in dining room. Master suite runs the width of the home. Furniture included. Lots of house for little money. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.